Meaning of eradicate.
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 Eradicate. Eradicate means to completely destroy or eliminate something, especially a problem or disease. When something is eradicated, there is no trace of it left and it no longer poses a threat. This is often achieved through thorough and systematic measures such as vaccination campaigns, pest control, or military operations. The result of successfully eradicating something is a significant improvement in the quality of life for affected individuals and the wider population. It can also lead to economic benefits by reducing the costs associated with treating or managing the problem.